Howdy, howdy, how you doing? This is Yusuf L. I have my partner Joseph reach out to you because we are expanding our operations to the West Coast. Okay, that's North and South Cali, even Oregon. Uh, we're going to push up to Seattle as well. What we do is we specialize with customer acquisitions, lead generation for concrete, waterproofing, and foundation repair contractors. All right. So what I want to show you is something called the MCMs. Now, over the last decade, I figured out that these are the key elements that every local business should focus on to scale. Okay, and the first thing you see on the very top is called the GMB, and that stands for Google My Business Listing. This is your GMB listing. Now, this GMB listing can be a very powerful asset to your business, and this listing can make you a lot of money if utilized properly. Okay, utilized and ranked. See this category right here? You have yourself listed as a foundation, right? A foundation is not the same as foundation repair. I have to let you guys know that. If you look at your competitors, I mean, you can have foundation listed, but if you look at your competitors, right, they're all going to have like general contractor, construction company, structural engineer. You can actually have all of those, and you can actually label yourself as a waterproofing company, right? Just little stuff like that can make a big difference, okay? Because when you search for a foundation in Los Angeles, right, you're gonna get like actual foundations, like people that like do like community work, like nonprofit organizations. You understand what I'm saying? So just your label and how you set up this GMB is either a hit or miss, okay? Also, you want to utilize as much information as possible. So Google gave you this listing, and this listing is going to let people know that you're in the area, right? So you want to fill out as much as possible. There's even a free website in here you guys should be utilizing. If you go to the dashboard and you click on where it says like info and all that stuff at the very bottom and just say website, go ahead and publish that free site, right? Go ahead and list up to you can list up to 18 locations. So go ahead and list the cities inside of LA from Linwood, Hollywood, Inglewood, whatever. You can even list 20 locations. All right. Utilize as much information as possible. Fill it out. You guys have a Facebook page, right? You stop making posts, but that's fine. What I'm trying to show you is that like these posts inside of your Facebook can be shared to your map listing. You can also create posts for this as well, and it doesn't cost you anything, but you have like your promotions in here and all that jazz. Okay. The next thing on the MCMs is content. You guys are doing very good because you have a very beautiful site. So when it comes to content, content is not just the words on your site, it's also video. Okay? So I just want to show you a quick example. If I type in beer, you see how Wikipedia pops up number one? Wikipedia, Wikipedia. That's because Wikipedia has the most authoritative and relevant content on any subject matter. So when it comes to foundation repair or any services that people offer, that you guys offer, you want to be the most authoritative. And by the looks of it, you have very authoritative content, right? Very authoritative content. But you can always build onto it because that's what your competitors are consistently doing. After that, you have something called citations. And this is like whenever you're listed on Facebook, Facebook is listing or citing your company. When you're on Yelp, Chamber of Commerce, all that good stuff, these are all the places your company's being cited right here. But I just want to let you know that there's literally hundreds of places you can use for free to spread your phone number and your company's information all across the internet, right? A lot of your competitors don't do that, and that's just like another edge you guys could have using these free social platforms. Okay. Then after that, you got some of the most important thing, and that's part of the SEO, is backlinks. Now, this is your backlink profile. You guys literally have 24 links. Okay, this is like the juice. This is the juice or the votes that your company has online. So you literally have 24 votes, right? But like Alpha, they got like 93, and you see the difference. What you're looking at here, like so Google has like the perfect score, right? And that's like 100 over 100. So you want to try to get as close to that as possible. So you guys have like a 0 over 23. Alpha has 26 over 35. Weinstein has 13 over 26, right? They don't have as many votes, but their votes are stronger than yours. They have a stronger vote. And it's just these simple things that can make a difference between generating more online traffic, free leads, free traffic. Okay? Word of mouth can get you so far. You can't scale word of mouth. But if you utilize these free key elements, you guys are going to put in motion a very powerful asset on the internet, right? Your GMB and your or site is going to be ranking and generating organic traffic. And when that happens, you can get numbers like this: 143 callers last month for someone we did worked with in Philly, right? I know that's on the East Coast, but we've been doing the same thing from the East Coast down south, the Midwest, and we're working our way to the West Coast. We already have some stuff set up in Seattle, and we're just working our way down to Cali. And so we are actually looking for partners to partner with Cali and Cali, like Southern Cali. We can only work with one person in each city, right? But there are some companies that are in multiple cities that want to dominate the whole thing. So if this is something you plan on scaling, you plan on scaling your business, you plan on dominating the local market, you know where to find us. Again, Yusuf L. Thank you for watching.